As I look up to the sky, I look up and I pray. One way, I'm about to make it out. One day, we about to reach the top. We ain't never gonna stop with the gas popping. Every day is more shocking till we dead. More worries in my head, and I say, God, would you please help me out with the pain in the game? Ain't nobody know my name with the fame is insane. On the streets every day we gotta worry. We ain't living in a hurry, though one day we will be buried in a grave. And our life is like a maze in the haze. I'm about to say grace in my life. What's going on, God? As I pray, everything is going wrong. What the hell I gotta do to get it right in my life? Man, I still miss my homies, even though we weren't tight. Rest in peace, I pour liquor for the homies. I'm lonely, if that did not exist, I'll be chilling with my homies.
God, please help me through the struggles I face every day. Give me the strength to keep my head up till my dying day. Loved ones passing over, hurting just won't go away. Don't know how I did survive. Please guide me through the
People saying if you wait, then the good comes to you. And I waited all my life, but now I see the truth. I can't see the bright side, cause the pain makes me blind. Is it time? Happiness I could never really find. All the drugs bring me down in my life. What's right? Start shining in my sight. Can I live up to the heights? And I struggle too much with the pain that I face. Find a place I could just be in peace with no hate. See them demons on my stress since I was 13. See them ghosts haunting me when I sleep in my dreams. Why we always gotta live with so much pain in the lives deep inside. Everybody gonna strive to survive, and I never really knew how hard it could have been. I can take all the pain, so I'm confessing all my sins. Please guide me through the pain. I can't take it anymore. It's like I'm fighting every day, like I always ever want, and I can't take this pain. Yeah. Bucks XL, check.
God, please help me through the struggles I face every day. Give me the strength to keep my